AKKO-Dracula Castle. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this mechanical keyboard that I bought in Shopee last 12/12. Oh my god! So let's unbox this one. Oh my god! Can you see the logo? It's AKKO. So guys, moment of truth. So this one, AKKO. So just want to do it. Oh my gosh, it's, can you see that? It's purple, AKKO. So this brand, it was recommended by my coworker. So let's unbox this one. So this one, if I can pin this one. So I'll just have to pull this off. And then, moment of truth. So there's a plastic here. If you can see that. So there's a plastic here. So there's an AKKO too. So just set aside. And oh my gosh, the keyboard itself. Oh my god. So this is the keyboard itself, guys. So this one. So nice. So there's a volume rocker here for the loudness of the tactile. It's kind of heavy, so there's, you know, for the keyboard too. And for Mac, USB, and Windows. And there's the socket. And also, oh my gosh, can you see that? Yes, for the RGB light. We can read it. And this one. And also a manual, user manual. So there's this user manual here. So it's good. It's purple too. And we have, oh, scare. I think this one's for, I don't know. Oh, this one. So we have scare. Oh yeah, it's for the Dracula. In one of the cross. I'll just upload it here. But later on. And also for the fire. So let's check it out. Let's check this out. So we'll just have to remove the protector for the USB port. And oh, so nice. It's already connected in here, so it's easy. You can easily use it. And I'll just log it here and log it there then. So I think, oh my god! Oh my god, so nice. Can you see the guys? It's the RGB LED light. I'll just have to. So when I want to type something, like for example, in Microsoft, and I have to turn off my electric for a moment because it's gonna be loud. So let's start. Oh my god! So nice. This is so nice. So, oh my god, this is so nice. This one is for the low rocker, right? So I'll just use it here. This is so perfect when you want to, so how to control. So page up, so home. So this one is the right number. So Michelangelo Tacoban. Oh my god! So I bought this on AKKO. This is the Dracula Cream Yellow Pro. So there's an RGB light beside it. And yeah. This one is so nice. Oh my god. Well, I have to think for the color of my nails. And there's a sample here too for the Dracula. So I think I'm gonna put it here because I love the cross. So nice. Yeah. So I think that's all. It's a nice keyboard. Oh my god. Oh my god. And the other one is said FN and then page up. So this one's for another effects again, so FN page up. So tactile. Just like that. Or this one. Or K. So nice. So when you want to improve, I think the other one is FN home. F that's for perfect FN home again. So when you want to go like for M. Oh my god! M. I. Oh my gosh, there's like a piano. And then E, E, and then L. Oh my god! Next one is FN, and then home again. So let's check. So M, and then I, and then my C, H, A, E, L. So nice, right? So every letter for that. So another one is for the FN page up. Like that. Another one effect. That's the fixed color one. Another one is that one. Another one is here. Another one's there. Okay, then another effect is for FN end. So let's check FN end. FN end. Oh, FN end. Another one. FN end again. That's back and forth. Another one. Oh, that's playful. And FN end again. Oh, it's giving what do you call this one? Like Super Mario. And other effect is FN end too. FN end. FN page down. I think page down for that. So that's one for FN page down. Can you see that? The lights, or like they're alive and it's blinking. And another one is here. So another one. Oh. So when I type, so FN and then page down again. So another one is, oh, so when I type for every column, letter in a column, so it will light up. So for example, my name is Michael. So M, I, C, H, A, E, and then L. So nice. So right now, I'm currently browsing for 20 effects. Color with RGB. So led by setting 5 lights. So this one is so nice after all. But what I would want to try is the FN page up, because it's nice. And is that for page up? When you want to click something, or was it age and home. Hi there. I know it's. I want to see age. I like this one. It's like very Disney. Then I see HBEL and Joel. Right, so nice. But I love also to try that one, FNBHL, or this one's so cute too, and to that's all. Thank you. Dun, 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 dun. So from the top and then here. So nice. Okay, mood at the moment. Tangina talaga. Budol pa more.